Welcome to Hatch's Collaborative Whiteboard feature. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make markups, add reference photos, and notes in real time with your team. To start using the Collaborative Whiteboard, go to the Files tab in your project. Select the file you want to work on and click the brush icon at the top left of the screen. This opens the whiteboard, where you can begin adding your markups. Once inside the Collaborative Whiteboard, use the drawing tools to mark up your file. For example, circle areas of interest or highlight key sections that need attention. This works on PDFs, images, 3D models, and more. Enhance your markups by adding reference photos and notes. Click the Add Photo option to drag relevant images into the workspace. You can also use the Sticky Note tool to leave detailed comments directly on the file. Collaborate with your team in real time. Invite collaborators to join you on the whiteboard, where everyone can add markups, notes, and photos simultaneously. It's perfect for brainstorming and quick feedback sessions. When you're finished, click End Sketch. All your markups, photos, and notes will be saved and linked directly to the original file. You can revisit or share them anytime. And that's it. You've successfully used the Collaborative Whiteboard to annotate your files and work with your team. Start using Hatch today to streamline your projects.